Start by making the sponge cake. Use room temperature eggs. They whip better. Crack the eggs into a clean, dry bowl. Add sugar to the eggs. Whip with a mixer first on medium, then on high speed until very thick, pale mixture forms that leaves a distinct ribbon trail, about 5 to 8 minutes. Without letting the whipped mixture deflate, quickly but carefully sift flour in batches over the top. Gently fold with a spatula, using bottom to top motions to preserve airiness. Overmixing will make the sponge dense. Prepare an 18-centimeter diameter pan by thoroughly greasing bottom and sides with butter and dusting with flour or lining with parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 170 to 175 degrees Celsius in advance. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Gently tap or rotate the pan to distribute evenly and release large air bubbles. Bake in the preheated oven on middle rack for about 30 minutes. Do not open the oven during the first 20 to 25 minutes to prevent collapsing. Test doneness with a toothpick. It should come out clean from the center. After baking, let the sponge cool completely in the pan placed on a wire rack to prevent sogginess. How beautifully our sponge cake rises. Tell me, what are your favorite types of bisevet? It will be very interesting for me to find out. While the sponge cools, soak agar-agar in a small amount of hot, not boiling, water, according to package instructions, usually 10 to 15 minutes. Proper soaking is crucial. Prepare a springform pan, 18 centimeters or slightly larger, by lining sides with tall parchment strips extending above the rim. This eases cake removal. Remove the completely cooled sponge from the pan. Carefully slice the sponge horizontally in half using a long, sharp knife or thread for even layers. Place the bottom half of the sponge in the base of the prepared springform pan. This will be the cake base. Prepare the mousse. Whip 250 milliliters of very cold cream, 33 to 35% fat, to stiff peaks. Chill bowl and beaters beforehand for best results. Set whipped cream aside. In a saucepan, Heat other cream. For mousse, approximately 100 to 150 milliliters, without boiling, to 80 degrees. Add soaked agar-agar with its water and vanilla extract to the warm cream. Whisk well and bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer agar mixture for 30 seconds, stirring constantly to activate. You'll get a smooth liquid. If mixture thickens prematurely, gently rewarm on low heat while stirring until liquid. Remove saucepan from heat. Add finely chopped or grated white chocolate. Stir vigorously until chocolate fully melts and mixture is smooth. Let chocolate mixture cool 3 to 5 minutes, stirring until warm, about 35 to 40 degrees. Too hot will melt the mousse, too cold will cause clumping. Gradually, in 1 to 2 spoon portions, pour warm chocolate mixture into whipped cream. Gently but thoroughly fold with a spatula using bottom to top motions until uniform. Avoid overmixing. Pour finished mousse into the pan over the sponge base. Lightly tap pan on counter to release air bubbles. Smooth mousse surface with spatula or knife. Cover cake with plastic wrap touching mousse surface or use acetate strip for smooth sides. Refrigerate for full setting minimum 6 hours, preferably overnight, 8 to 12 hours. Agar gains strength over time. After setting, carefully remove springform ring. Remove parchment strips from cake sides. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like it. It will help us a lot in the future.